Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about the best websites from where you can learn a particular skill, which we are talking about in video. So guys, uh, welcome to this video, and in today's video I will teach you about the best websites from where you can learn Python language. Python language is one of the top languages in the world right now, programming languages. So guys, as you know our video format, first we will go to fiverr.com and check the competition and demand of the skill, and then we will go towards our website. So I am opening fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplace from where you can sell your services online. And wait a second. So here I search Fiverr.com is open. In Fiverr.com you can sell your services online and people can buy it. So I write here Python programming, or you can search Python developer, etc. So in Python programming there are 3,689 services available. First of all, go to currency USD. Great. So I open the first gig, the second gig, and the third gig. Let's analyze these gig. And so the first one is Johnny. He's from Vietnam, and he in basic package he charged $20. He completed 332 orders from nowadays, and with 10 years experience as Python or C++ developer, I am sure I can help you a lot. Okay, basic. Uh, she charged $20. Small project, please contact me before placing order. After that, standard $50. Medium project, please contact me before placing order. In premium, $150. Big project, please contact me before placing order. Once you contact him, then he charge according to the project. So that's it. After that, you can also check out his gig description, and let's see what she is providing. And that's great. So this is our first gig. Let's go towards second gig. Shabby from India. I will do Python programming, scripting, web automation, web crawler. Okay. In basic, he charged $30. I will scrap any website or organize your data and deliver you using Python script. In standard, he charged $55. I will scrap bulk email or run data from any website, or I will give you script to run it. Okay. In third, he charged $100. I will make a custom made bot or scrapper or software using Python or any automatic script. Pro. He completed 177 orders from this gig, and you can also check out his gig description to make an idea and make your own according to it, but do not copy his gig description. Let's move towards third. This is Dylan from Sri Lanka. I will do Java, Python, C++ programming task for you. Uh, $25 simple coding task, 45 moderate coding task, 85 complex coding task. He completed 131 orders, and this is great. So guys, this is our third website, and I think Fiverr part is over now. Let's move towards our website. So the first website is called python.org. This is the official website of Python. When you come on this website, documentation, and you can get Python books, docs. I click on docs, and here beginner guides, tutorials, libraries reference, language reference, and etc. You can learn the whole Python language from there. My recommendation is this website because this is the official website, so you can learn easily. After that, codecademy.com, learn Python 3. You can also learn from codecademy.com. This is a course for beginners, and this is of 25 hours plus course. This is the, I think, video course. So you can also get certificates. So this is also worth it. So after that, the third is realpython.com. Real Python tutorials. You can start Python tutorials. from video courses, learn Python, Python tutorial, learning path, quizzes, browse topic, community chats, and etc. Python's tuple data, a deep dive with examples. So these are the Python tutorials you can learn from there. So this is the third and last website. So guys, my recommendation is python.org, and now it's your choice from which website you want to learn. So I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.